So technology is very helpful for our humanity. But now we can search for the information and find it very fast. But your safety is not trust. And this is why we are here, the Matrix team.
Nice.
Okay, so there's a very common problem that's spread in the whole world right now. So, okay, not like what you said, nothing is, not everything is safe for everyone, okay? Not everything is safe. So, where or when does it happen? It happens when a user somehow fetches a link, whether from a friend or a social media app like Facebook or Instagram. Yes, there's a lot of places we get the link from. So why does it matter? So why does it matter? So we could discuss something like this. Suspicious links could put your device or your account, whether it's your bank account or any personal information at risk. Okay, so that's why we need to discuss about this right now. Okay.
Who is our primary user? Well, basically, our primary user is any internet consumer. What are they trying to do? Well, basically, they're trying to grab safely with no risks, all safe, no risk, as I said. But what they actually need is network security. They need to be safe. They need to stay safe and like comfortable while working on the internet. Like, they need a network security guard for safer routes. Now, what is our user evidence? What is the evidence for our username? Well, basically, what did you observe over here, and then is hesitation and recklessness and fear. Piece of evidence. I don't know if I could, like one of the users saying that I don't know if I could open the link that I received from my bank. Switch.
Okay, so this is some sentence from many people around the world. Okay. Some people say, I don't know if I could open the link that I received from my bank or not. So we say bank, not the official bank. We don't know whether it's the original bank or another bank.
Yeah.
Okay, so it might be a scam. Some others say this link looks weird. I'm just gonna open it anyway, and this is recklessness. Some people just open links without thinking. Okay, so okay.
Yeah.
There's an initial assumptions, and all right. So we imagine that we ask people about their experiences. So at first we assume that suspicious links are easy to spot because they look broken or strange. But after that, okay, we realize that it's not easy. It's not easy to find scam links. Like for example. Some links that, like Microsoft.com, just the first letter is M, right? But it turns out to be scam because the first letter is not actually M, it's RN. So it's gonna be like M, not O.
Yeah, it looks like M.
Yeah, so yeah, and that's why you put your device mistakes.
Okay. Our project idea is an extension on Chrome that will help us to avoid the request that made from our browser. Okay, when you go to YouTube.com, for example, your device asks the router to I want to request the YouTube.com website. Okay, and then the router go and ask the DNS server about the website and get it and give it to you. This is mean the response. Okay, so this response may be toxic, okay, and the toxicity of the link, the response when it comes to your program or your device, this is you lost your device. Yes. Okay. So we decided to make an extension for Chrome that will make the response doesn't go away as soon from your router. Okay? Yes. And it's block the request from your phone or your device so it doesn't come make a request even. Okay. Yes.
Yeah. Well, as my first friend just said, I think, well, basically our system here interacts our user before it gets to the link he's intended to go to. So what happens here, we need to know what is our user value. Now, once you switch change the side, basically, what our website does is that it scans the link itself and do some calculation analysis to know if this link is safe for our user. We love our users, so we need to make sure that he's safe. If it's not, we just we show the user that this thing isn't safe, the link is unsecured, and give him the choice to either go in or skip that part. If he moves the stress for getting with the link is there, he needs the bank account and personal data is safe and fine. Now talk about the feature.
Actually, there's 3 steps for a project. What's a project feature? We can call it a network security guard. It's so basic. Literally, it acts like a bodyguard for a browser.
Yep.
Alright, what's its benefits? Users don't have to manually inspect URLs or guess if text or an email link is safe. It just it will be a browser extension. So when a user gets to a web browser, it just scans it without wasting time. So what's its value? You'll end up with a peace of mind. You have peace in your mind while browsing, no risk of losing money or any personal data.
This is why our value, the value of this project will be like open anything you want, you will be scanned. Okay. Okay. Our prototype, like I said, our extension. First, when you type your link on the browser and you press the button enter, it takes the link and asks there is 2 modes. Okay, the first mode you have a manual blocked list. Okay, like you consider YouTube as a scam website, or you want to block your the YouTube to be opened on your device because you know it's a scam link, for example. Okay, we took YouTube as an example. Okay, so you take this link and you put it in your manual list, and you make the mode for the manual list, and then you can go on YouTube, type YouTube, and press enter. And what happened? The extension takes the link first after routing to the router. Okay, takes the link first and asks the list, is it in this list, the banned list? And the answer, if the answer is no, it make a response to our website that we made that says this is untrusted website. Here we go. This is a real video. You have to open the extension. It's so simple and easy. It's done. Okay. So. So, as I said, this is mode 1. It's for the local list. You made it first, okay? And this is for the API. The second mode is the API. An API here refers to a website or an AI model that is trained and can know if this link is good or bad. If it's spam or Trojan or virus, he will tell you the type of the scam. If it's the API, okay. This makes our code or our extension compatible with updates. Okay, like if we knew that OpenAI, for example, made an AI that know how to consider the scam and the safe links, we can just take our this API and put it in our code, just like this. And this will make our code works with the technology of OpenAI to know how if it's scam.
Yeah, and that does exist. We made
Yes.
Okay. After that,
So, and this is we consider we consider the YouTube, for example, because it's so famous. Okay, we consider YouTube, for example, in our banned list. Okay, like if it's a scam. Okay, and we try to open the YouTube, and here is the thread is blocked and the type.
don't regard what's
This is the type of this scam.
yeah. Don't regard the
No,
problem.
no,
It's
no.
just a meme. Okay.
Yes, stop.
Stop.
This is the list I told you. It's a list named like youtube.com, maliciousexample.com, okay? It's a Trojan, and phishing.com, okay? So, start. We will take, for example, maliciousexample.com, okay? Our phishing. We copied it and we just paste a link from our banned list, the same reason. Okay. Yes. Paste it.
We're talking now about testing. Well, after we tested our browser and our extension, we simply found out the extension ability to intercept links and display clear security warnings and allow access to safe sites without disturbing without disrupting normal web level. So basically, after we tested, what we user did, what our tester done, is just basically like you saw in the video, he opened YouTube for an example, and the user was asked either we asked to browse naturally while sharing the thoughts. What we observed was that the suspicious websites were blocked instantly, and scanning further faster. Like basically, our website was working fast, so fast. He didn't even hesitate 1 second. The second he clicked on the link, our website pops up, and then tells them either that link is safe or is the unsecured. And that happened in like a split of seconds. If the link, just try.
Alright, so what was clear and what was confusing? So the thing that was clear in our project, that the big warning screen made it obvious when the site was dangerous. Well, yeah, it took the whole screen said threat detected, so the user will know that this website is dangerous or risky, you know? Alright, so what was confusing this project? It was confusing for the user to switch between two moves. Well, not all users will understand this extension because as you watched in the video, it was a small menu over here. So you could change between the API or from the manual list, okay? So that was the confusing part. Alright. So what did we change after testing? Well, actually, we didn't find a lot of bugs. So actually, the real change here was in the design. So yeah. So what is the evidence and why did we did that? Evidence that caused the change. The design was not comfortable for the eyes at first. So that's why we did the changes.
Okay, our next step, basically, what's still uncertain is not all the suspicious links are listed in our system. Basically, there's always a new link that is not safe and that is a malware, basically. So what's uncertain here is that we don't know when that link exists. It's new, so our system doesn't contain it. So new fake links are made every day. So basically, we're not gonna be able to contain it all. You understand me? This thing is. I would like to start improvising also. You tell me so.
Okay. So, to sum up, our problem was the risk on internet. Everyone clicks a link on the internet and doesn't know how to deal with the virus and trojans and malware. Okay, there might be scams, and like we said in the first example, you are dealing with the bank, your money bill. Okay, so it's so dangerous. So the user who consumes the browser need to be safe and continuous browsing without hesitation and reckless and latency. The solution, we block the request. That's why we are fast. Okay, we are not processing the link and seeing if it's good or bad. No, it's instantly, because we play on the request first. Like before the request go from your browser, we know it. Then we can deal with it and know if it's bad. We don't make the whole request. Okay.
This is our friends.
Yeah.
Math's team. Guys, Ahmed and
Muhammad Khalid and
Wali.
um,
Math's team. And this is our semester.
ماشي في العربي هتلاقي الدنيا ماشيه معاك، انا لقيتك انت احسن واحد بتتكلم في الانجليزي، ماشي الدنيا بتتعامل، هم عرفوا ما تبقى تختارش انجليزي وانت مش واثق نفسك فيه.
وانا
هو كان
ما تختارش انجليزي وانت مش واثق نفسك فيه، مش هقول لك احنا عرب احنا مش عارف ايه الكلام ده كله مش فاهم معايا، عادي في ناس بتفهم، احنا المفروض كلنا لغات المفروض على الاقل نفهم 30% 90% من الكلام. بعض الكلمات ممكن تعطي معانا بس انت بتتكلم اوكي ان انت هتعطل في الاتجاه وجزء الباقي من البرزنتيشن عباره عن الاتجاه. الاقيكم بتقوا تاني.
نعم.
هتشرحوا
احنا بنقراش احنا ما بنقراش احنا جايين نفس
ماشي.
التجربة
انتوا المفروض بتشرحوا الكلام، مفيش حد بيقرا الكلام ده، انتوا بس تحطوا فيه الهوكس عشان تفتكروا لو عدلتوا.
احنا بقى مش خالص عشان كده
ده بقى ده الغلط،
بالظبط.
انتوا المفروض تبقوا مجهزين، يعني انتوا مش بتشوفوا خالص تتكلموا انجليزي، ده انتوا
لا بص هو شاف عشان هو عمله
لا هو عاش عليكم اولا، الشغل كان حلو، عجبني حركه الانجليزي والبرزنتيشن تحفه، صح الديزاين تحفه، اعمل ديزاين منك.
ما شافش الديزاين بتاعك، ما شافش حاجه عندنا.
يا عم انتوا جامدين كده كده بنشوفكم مع باشمهندس صلاح، انا واثق منك. ماشي يا شباب، عشان جدا 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 كده خلاص صح؟ عشان صوره جماعيه بقى.